Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to clean and sanitize your makeup brushes and sponges. But the twist to this is that I am going to show you how to clean your sponge with a natural antibacterial bar of soap called Colloidal Silver. And we are going to be cleaning our brushes with Dawn antibacterial dish detergent soap. So girl, I know you're probably wondering, what is Colloidal Silver? Well, I'm happy to share with you what Colloidal Silver is, and that is this bar of soap that you're seeing here on the screen. And I have been using Colloidal Silver now for about 10 years. Colloidal silver is used as a natural alternative to fight off and kill bacteria. So you can get this in liquid, and you can also get this in a bar of soap. Later on in the video, I am going to be going over some of the benefits of colloidal silver. But before I get into the benefits of colloidal silver, I wanted to share with you one of the makeup tools that I use to clean my makeup brushes, and that is what you see here on the screen. It is called a makeup brush cleaning bowl. I purchased this off of Amazon. It is flexible and it's also collapsible, and it really helps aid with the cleaning of my brushes. I will link it down below for anyone who is interested in purchasing this product. So girl, now you are about to watch the magic begin. I know for years I used to try to clean my makeup sponges with liquid soap, and I could never ever get my makeup sponge to come clean until I started using a bar of soap. So I want you guys to watch here as I clean my makeup sponge, and I want you to see how clean it gets from me using this bar of soap. And while you're watching that, I am going to go over some of the benefits of colloidal silver. So remember ladies, I was telling you that this soap is antibacterial. So it helps to fight off bacteria and viruses. In the liquid form, it can help with pink eye, pneumonia, and shingles. It also helps in healing and wounds. So basically what it would do is it would help speed up the healing time. It also can be used to treat skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Look at that sponge and look at how clean it is now. So now we are about to get into cleaning our makeup brushes. I will be incorporating the Dawn antibacterial soap as well as the makeup brush cleaning bowl. So basically what you're going to do if you do decide to purchase one of these bowls is you're just going to put the Dawn antibacterial soap at the bottom of the bowl, and then you're just going to use your brush and you're just going to go around in circles to clean the brush. You are going to repeat this process until all of your brushes are clean. So the brushes that you see me cleaning are the same brushes that I use on the video, how to apply makeup for a photo shoot. If you haven't had a chance to go and check out that video, make sure you go and check it out. There may be a few good tips in there that maybe you could use to help you apply your makeup. And I know, girl, that I didn't give you all the benefits of colloidal silver. I just gave you like a brief rundown. If you are interested in purchasing this product, my suggestion would be for you to make sure that you do your research. You just want to make sure that this product is a good fit for you. And I will link all of these products down below. Oh, and before we go any further, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload all my future videos. So to reiterate, if you are having any type of skin condition, this soap will aid in healing your skin. When taken orally, it will help in killing germs inside of your body. If you do not have Colloidal Silver bar of soap, that is fine. You can use a regular bar of soap. I would just suggest that you use antibacterial soap in order to kill any germs that may be in the sponge. But a regular bar of soap will work just as fine to get your sponge completely clean. Now, if you do not have this makeup cleaning bowl, you can use your hand and it will be just as effective as I am about to show you. That is all I have for you today. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Hopefully I was able to drop some new knowledge on you and give you a few good tips on how to effectively clean your brushes, as well as teach you something new about colloidal silver. If you found this video helpful, please let me know and drop a comment down below. And make sure that you follow me on all my social media platforms. And I will see you girls on the next video. Peace.